how to connect Wix with Afterpay. So we want to go to the main page of Wix, and in the search bar, search for payments. And it will show us this first option, accept payments. We want to click on here. It will automatically take us to this page. We want to scroll down and click on see more payment options. So as you can see, we have Afterpay right here. So if we want to connect it, we will click on connect. To connect your Afterpay account, you will need to enter your Afterpay credentials in the form below. Click connect and your Afterpay account will be connected to your Wix account. So right here basically is where we connect it. So you input your merchant ID as well as your secret key, and you click on connect, and then this will automatically connect Afterpay to your Wix website. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.